Hi, my name is Ingrid Dinter from ingriddinter.com, and today's video is most definitely one of my favorites. Today I just want to celebrate with you. I want to celebrate you and a job well done, fill you with gratitude and acknowledgement and self-respect, because tackling clutter issues, tackling relationships and shame and guilt and overwhelm and all these things that we've been working on together over these past few days is a tough job. And here you are. Look at you. You did great. You didn't quit. You kept going. You took this on. Good for you. Good for you. A lot of people would not have done that, but you did. And I'm so proud of you for that. And I would love for you to feel that pride and self-respect and newfound self-esteem as well. So let's just jump in and just tap on gratitude. Follow me, follow the suggestions, and repeat. Karate chop point, even though I can't believe I just did that. I am so proud of myself for how far I've come. And even though I never thought I could be so successful, even with the baby steps that I did, I'm grateful that I didn't quit. I'm grateful that I started. I'm impressed that I continued and that I never gave up. And even though this has been so hard to begin with, I choose now to recognize how strong I truly am. Top of your head, I am so grateful. Inside of the eyebrow, and actually kind of impressed. Outside of the eye. I didn't even know where to begin, remember? Under the eye. I was way too overwhelmed to start. Nose and upper lip. I had relationship issues coming up. Lower lip and chin. I felt shame and guilt, and I felt so trapped. Collarbone. I had so many conflicts around items of value. Under the arm, and yet I chose to gain momentum and continue to declutter. Top of your head. This is a big deal. Inside of the eyebrow. Such a big deal. Outside of the eye. I think I'm a big deal. Under the eye. Look at what I did. I really succeeded. Nose and upper lip. Baby steps taken consistently lead to results. Lower lip and chin. And I'm so glad that I just kept walking. Collarbone. I am grateful that I took this on. Under the arm, because every little thing I did changed my life forever. Top of your head. I got rid of so much stuff. Inside of the eyebrow. A lot of it I didn't even know I had. Outside of the eye. I overlooked things that were in plain sight. Under the eye. I didn't see them even though they needed to go. Nose and upper lip. My life has changed. Lower lip and chin. It has changed so much. Collarbone. And that's good not just for me. Under the arm. But it's wonderful for the people that I love in my life. Top of your head. The old stagnant energies are moving out. Inside of the eyebrow. I can do so much better than that. Outside of the eye. I don't need this stuff anymore. Under the eye. Now I can make choices and now I can breathe. Nose and upper lip. I am grateful for my life. Lower lip and chin. I'm grateful for my beautiful home. collarbone. I'm grateful for the transformations that I've already experienced under the arm. And I'm super excited about what is yet to come. Top of your head. I can feel certain that nothing that I lost inside of the eyebrow was something that I needed to have in my life. Outside of the eye. I didn't need it, it was just there. Under the eye, cluttering me up and holding me hostage. Nose and upper lip. I am grateful. Lower lip and chin. And so excited. Collarbone. Because I did a really, really good job with this. Under the arm. And I can be proud of myself for so many reasons. Top of your head. And even though I never thought I would get this far, and even if I still have a ways to go, I choose to be impressed, grateful, and filled with self-respect. Because I am not a quitter. I gained momentum, and I keep going. This is my life. I love it. I live it every moment. I feel so free already. It is wonderful to have control over my energy, my home, my relationships, and who I choose to be. And thank you. Take a breath. Now, how was that for a celebration? This is you. You did a good job. You're still here. You did what you could. Given the circumstances, you absolutely did enough. Please keep going. Keep building. Keep transforming yourself and changing what you don't like. Keep that momentum going. Because you deserve to live the very, very best life. I hope we stay in contact. You can reach me on Ingrid@ingriddinter.com. Please reach out. I'm looking forward to hearing from you. All the best to you. And here is to the transformational work of the ultimate clutter cleanse.